Hi and welcome dancers. Welcome back to Wednesday, April 8th. On Monday of this week, you started off with some cardiorespiratory endurance, and now we're going to get into the dancing part of cardiorespiratory endurance. Coming into week 2 on this Wednesday, I want you to check out my first video on TikTok. I did a little dance for you. Go ahead and check it out. I'm not going to spoil it with you right now, but it's my first try, so hope you enjoy it. What we're going to be doing this week is we are going to be doing a 15-minute bounce back cardio dance workout. You can click on the link and see it right there. Continue with the theme of cardiorespiratory endurance fitness. So that complete that dance workout for you. Again, there's a ton of benefits to cardiorespiratory endurance. We're going to push it a little bit further for 15 minutes today. Get that exercise, get moving, get your heart rate up, a little bit of heavy breathing, increase your blood flow and oxygen, and get that energy up. You're going to be doing, after you do your dance workout for 15 minutes, make sure that you do your 2 reflection questions at the end of the activity. And again, it's 20 points per reflection, so answer both those questions as best as you can. Make sure that you put your answer in the response section in the upper right hand of the assignment. Each assignment is due by 11:59. Again, every Monday and Wednesday, I'll have that information for you. Again, reiterate our questions. Watch the video, and then how would you describe your intensity during the activity, and why would you exercise at that intensity? Was it low, medium, or high? And how did you feel? And please elaborate on that. And then also give me 2 to 3 signs of what your heart rate is at when you're doing that activity. We want to know, what was it like? What did you feel like when you were doing that activity? We want to make sure that you guys are working hard, doing everything you can. Think of dance class as a break from the day. Enjoy what you're doing. Get up, get moving a little bit. You guys have been sitting doing a lot of work at your computers. Dance should be kind of your release and your fun part. So enjoy it, and I look forward to reading your responses. Have a great day, and we'll see you next Wednesday. We do not have class on Monday. All right, take care. Stay well.